everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. I am known as the Opinionated Horsewoman. So today, you guys, we have this month's subscription of Splendies. What are Splendies? Splendies are women's panties. It is a monthly panty subscription. For just under $15, you are sent 3 panties per month. So before we get into it, you guys, just a couple quick updates. First of all, apologies for what I look like. I'm gonna tell you right now, it is the end of January. I live in Wisconsin, if you're new here. This morning on my drive into work, it was a balmy 21 degrees below zero Fahrenheit. I just got home from work, just finished feeding our animals. I do live on a farm. And it was a balmy 4 degrees above zero. So it has been cold. I tend to wear a lot of layers because of it. I tend to look a mess when I come in because I'm wearing so many layers. I have hats and earmuffs and stuff over my face. Makes a mess out of everything. And honestly, it is what it is in the wintertime, you guys. You're going to see me looking a little crazy. So let's get into Splendies. Here's what it looks like. So I have only gotten this one previous month, so I'm fairly new to the subscription, and everybody was asking for a little information on how my first several pairs have been coming along and working, and I'll tell you, so far so good. We'll see. So I do get 2 different panty subscriptions, so make sure you watch my channel for both those reviews as they come in. I've heard very mixed reviews on both companies, so I am not exactly like going to give you guys splendid reviews on either of these 2 subscriptions because I have limited use of either of their pairs of panties so far. So this is, again, my second month. Let's check out what they sent me. So you sign up and you look at their size chart and pick your size off their size chart and your measurements. And they send you, like I said, 3 pairs per month for you to try out and, you know, hopefully fulfill your wardrobe full of good new panties. All right, here we go. This is how it looks. They've changed things around just a little bit. So there's their logo. This is cute wrapping paper with the little lipstick kisses. Okay, 3 pairs. Let's see what we got. They look cute. All right, little piece of cardboard paper in there. First pair. These are cute. Very cute with the little bows, a little lace on the front. The butt's a little see-through. I'm going to tell you right now. They're all a little see-through. Does have the cotton liner at the crotch, which is very nice. The bows are cute. A little bit of lace on the front. These look very adorable. Now, first thing that I'm starting to see, as I was concerned the last time, stitching. The edges, this is where they ended the stitching. So I'm hoping these won't unravel. But right now, look at this. This is connected, you guys. So we're not getting 2 ends, we are connected. So right now I'm looking to see if this is unraveling or if this is just maybe a machine boo-boo. But either way, this is going to be a problem, right? Because if I cut it, it's going to unravel. If I don't cut it, I'm going to snag it on something and rip something. So these are the things that concern me with these panty subscriptions, is the quality, right? Obviously, a lot of this stuff is made overseas, and even if you go into the stores, a lot of stuff's made overseas. But you know, this is not cool. You guys, QA/QC, quality assurance and quality control, this should have gotten captured before they got to a customer, right? So that's disappointing. I mean, they're cute. The bows are on straight. Let's take a little bit farther look at stitching and things along the top. So far, that's the only boo-boo I see. Here is their branding. You know, honestly, guys, the pairs I got the last month, I just cut this out because there's no need to keep it in. All right, the stitching down at the cotton crotch looks okay. So overall, they look good except for the one glaring, easy to spot boo-boo. So this is the stuff you got to look for, right? All right, let's check the next pair, see what they look like. They're cute. These are more of a boy short. Very cute for, obviously we're going into February, right? Going to little Valentine's. And right off the bat, in the back, got another thread, but this just pulled out, so okay. You don't see the quality in the back here. Ooh, sorry, I got that a little close, but look at how this lines up, you guys. The lineup on that is not really very nice. It's kind of, you know, I suppose they could argue that it is because the lace has hills and valleys in it, but honestly, that just, for the front of your underwear, and I'll tell you guys right now, there's more than one reason why it doesn't look right. Look at this right up here. It doesn't line up properly. So I don't know, you guys. Let's take a look. at the stitching on the inside. And of course, it does have the cotton on the crotch area. Just looking for other, I'm seeing, you know, where the machine cut the suturing, or I keep saying suturing, you all. I did it the last time. The stitches. You can tell I have a little bit of a medical background because I tend to say things like that. Just, oops. All right, so, you know, I don't have like the major glaring dangling thread, but honestly, the machine, you know, manufacturing on the back is messy. It's not messy on the front, so here's their tag. All right, one more, another pair of sexy see-through panties. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, the butt's very see-through and the front's very see-through. These are some pretty racy lace panties. Yikes. All right, so here is their tag. Let's see what we got on here. Here is this tag. So these are Wilshire and Montana intimates. They don't say Splendies. That's interesting. I mean, they're cute. Little polka dots on the, you know, fishnet. Wow. All right, let's look at the stitching. I said stitching, not suturing. So far, I'm not seeing anything glaring just yet. This one, of course, does have the cotton as well. Sorry, I keep bumping my lavalier microphone. Stitching looks good on this, but this is also not the brand from Splendies. These are branded differently. So pretty cute, pretty lacy, pretty racy. What do you guys think? Should I take a picture for my thumbnail? Me and my Jeffree Star baseball hat, my camouflage hoodie, and my turtleneck on with a pair of very lovely racy panties. So, all right, you guys, I want to know what you think. $15, 3 pair. That makes them $5 each. Of course, shipping is included, so, you know, probably cost them $2 to mail it. So, what do you think? Let me know. It's my second month. We shall see, right? That's all I can say, guys. Hope you're having a good one. I hope you're staying warm if you are in the winterful, cold, frozen north. Pretty brutal. It's going to be pretty cold around where I live, probably for the next month. Usually by the end of February, we're not quite so sub-zero, but I am thinking the next 3 weeks are going to be pretty miserable as far as our temperatures go. So struggling to, you know, keep things running on the farm and to stay motivated. Not sure about being able to go out and run, which is unfortunate because I really need to get some exercise in. But I hope you guys are doing well, staying healthy, and yeah, having some sort of fun in this winter. So, all right, everybody, I really appreciate your time if you're new here. I hope you hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye, everybody.